Hello traders, we are back again with one more setup. This time it is EURGBP. So let's check the date and the time first. Coming back here on the chart or here. So it shows 12:40 a.m. Wednesday 20th of May 2026 in EST. That's your time. Coming back to the chart now. We are on the 4-hour EURGBP chart and we have left the resistance and trading below the EMA now. This candle was your entry to go short. Okay, we're gonna go short in this EURGBP and our take profit is this black line around 8631, basically this low. Okay, so we're gonna go and touch this low and that will be my take profit, and when that happens I'll come back and record the second part of this video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with take profit video, and our take profit is hit. As you can see, the price did touch the black line. Before that, let's check the date and the time right here. So I'll refresh it, and currently it is 11:08 a.m. Sunday 24th of May. I think that take profit was hit on Friday. I'm recording this video after 2 days. Okay, it's not possible to record the video every day and take the trades as well. It's just too much work. I'm still doing it, so there are so many proofs. So this is the time when I'm recording the video. The take profit was hit on this candle at this candle on Friday, 22nd of May, in 2 days. Okay, so that trade you can see on the website itself. So if you click on the first link below, you will come to this page. Okay, so you click on the first link below, you will come to this page, and then this EURGBP trade is right here. So you can see we closed it on 22nd of May. Entry is at 8659 almost, and exit at 8639. I exited earlier. So we got 20 pips in this. Okay, so we made 20 pips. The bottom line is that what I said happened, and this low was 8630. So in the beginning we were talking about 8631, I guess. So we touched that, but always exit 5 pips earlier than the expected target. Okay, that's how you manage your running trades and profits. So what we got, that's it. If you listen to me, you make profits. If you don't listen to me, then have fun, right? So if you want these setups before they happen, then check out the first link below the video and go to the page and join the program. Help yourself, and I'll see you inside. Till then, see you again.